brush color and the stroke width can be changed. That is. Yeah. Or this. And if you want more color, then you can change. You can click here to find more colors that you want. Like this. Okay, now since there are more informations on the screen and during meeting, we always need to erase something information that we need to erase. There are 4 ways to erase information. The first way is we can erase information with the back of our hand, that is. And the second way is we can click eraser, then we can use our pen or our fingers to do the eraser specifically and nicely. And we can use slide right to clear the screen. And the third way is we can use select, like this. And we can select the information, then we can delete, copy, or search the information from the browser. Okay. Delete. Okay, and the first way is we can use undo or redo to undo or redo the steps that we have done.